Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eva and today we're doing something a little bit different. I feel like I say this every time I make a video. I don't know why. But yeah, we are doing something different today. Also, if I look crazy, it's because I slept in my makeup and I didn't take it off. And I'm not going to. Sorry. Anyways, it is the first week of January and I kind of want to do like a big house reset. I have a lot of stuff to do. I was gone for like basically the whole month of December and I haven't had time to just do anything at home. So I really need to go and do a bunch of cleaning, organizing, setting stuff up. So I'm going to be taking you guys along with me today. And if you want to set this video on the background while you also join me with some cleaning, that would be amazing. So yeah, here is my little January reset. It's also incredibly windy in California today. I don't know why. It's been like this for a couple of days, like insane wind. I know there's a massive fire near like Malibu. So I am keeping watch for that. I am in an unaffected area, but if it gets bad, obviously I will have to leave. But for now I'm in an unaffected area. I volunteered to take some pets for people that can't bring them to whatever hotels who need to evacuate through Friends of Normie, the rescue that I foster for. So if randomly I have a pet, then you guys know why. Anyways, let's go and get started. I literally just have so much to do. So enjoy this video. It's super chill, probably not a lot of talking, but yeah. made it this far, thank you so much for watching. That is the end of this video. Obviously, I was super busy and I was doing a million things. I am about to go make a burrito, some coffee, and do a bunch of work. I didn't want to include work in my cleanup video because I just kind of wanted this to be like a reset. As you guys saw, I got a treadmill. I'm trying to be more active this year. I used to really love running and I miss running, so I'm starting that again. Got a new lamp. I've done a few other things in the house, but it has been literally crazy, especially today. The wind has been insane. The fires have been getting out of control. If you don't know, there's crazy fires just north of LA right now, and it is really, really dangerous. I'm in an unaffected area, so like I said, I think at the beginning of this video, I am probably gonna intake some animals, probably cats, of people that can't bring their pets with them to safe havens right now with the evacuations. So I'll be taking probably a couple, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and comment. If you guys cleaned along with me, let me know in the comments. I read every single comment. I am absolutely exhausted, but thank you so much for being here. I love you.